honored to host this program. I'm grateful to all of you for sparing your time and being here. IEEE CIS presents you She Codes, an exciting platform for women to explore, collaborate, and deploy machine learning algorithms in real life application. The efforts are being made by She Codes to bridge the gender gap towards technology and bringing out the creativity and innovation among women. She Code provides useful skills to start new journey toward artificial intelligence and machine learning that will be helpful to cope up with the upcoming technological advancements. I would like to footnote this that personal participation is the universal principle of knowing. It's a great opportunity to learn, code, create, collaborate, and win. I, Rishita Mishra, Vice Chair IEEE CISSB, also Microsoft Student Ambassador, Chair Entrepreneurship Cell, Chair IETE Technical Committee, hereby once again welcome you all on behalf of Team She Codes. This is our agenda. Let me just begin this program by briefing about us. IEEE and its member inspire global community to innovate for a better tomorrow through highly cited publications, conferences, technology standards, and professional and educational activities. IEEE is a trusted voice for engineering, computing, and technology information around the globe. Its core purpose is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity. IEEE is and remains strongly committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion, and we see no place for hatred and discrimination in our communities. The Computational Intelligence Society is preserving its theme diversity and inclusion. About computational intelligence, it is a theory, design, application, and development of biological and linguistically motivated computational paradigm. Traditionally, the three main pillars of CI have been neural networks, fuzzy systems, and evolutionary computation. However, in time, many nature-inspired computing paradigms have evolved. The CI is an evolving field, and at present, in addition to the three main constituents, it encompasses computing paradigm like ambient intelligence, artificial life, cultural learning, artificial endocrine networks, social reasoning, and artificial hormone networks. CI plays a major role in developing successful intelligence systems, including games and cognitive development systems. In fact, some of the most successful AI systems are based on CI. The IEEE Computational Intelligence Society is organized in 13 standing committees and 12 technical committees. The society also is a technical sponsor of many conferences. The society organizes other events such as competitions, tech challenges, summer schools, webinars, and distinguished lectures. Its mission focuses on advancing nature-inspired computational paradigm in science and engineering. Visions aim to be the international leader in innovative interdisciplinary research, technology transfer, real-world applications, and education in computational intelligence. The Women in Computational Intelligence Subcommittee (WCI) committee develops, promotes, organizes, and run activities directed to achieve the above goal. And this is IEEE. Forthwith, I would like to welcome Director GHRC Dr. Sachin Untawale and invite him to present his word of foresight. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Rishita. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just. Yeah. So, very good morning to all of you. Chapter advisor and HOD CSC Dr. Prashant Borkar sir. Chapter advisor and AI HOD Thomas ma'am. Student branch coordinator Dr. Lakshman Thakre. CIS members Dr. Penchala and Dr. Gopal Sakarkar. Chapter chair Vedant Behel and vice chair Rishita Mishra, IEEE CIS SBC. All attendees of IEEE Computational Intelligence Society at the induction program of this extremely popular She Code induction schedule. I am extremely happy to be a part of this induction program because we at GHRC follow only that is extremely important for the students. And I'm sure the team IEEE at GHRC is extremely active in carrying out various events throughout the year, and they are successful in bringing a great and huge name to GHRCE. GH Raisoni College of Engineering, as probably you might have read in the newspaper recently, that we had been ranked 139 in the National Institution Ranking Framework NIRF. Plus, I'm extremely proud to say that we have been ranked in ARIA ranking, innovation ranking, second in the self-finance category all over the country, and first in the state of Maharashtra. We are progressing with a great speed, and I'm sure with the cooperation of all the students, with the activities being held by all the students, we'll be able to further achieve what is required for a good engineering institution. We have been floating many schemes, that the credit transfer scheme, the internship scheme, the special internship of NPTEL with Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. And recently we have tied up with Serbia for launching a satellite in space through the satellite program of Serbia, an institution from Bangalore and GHRC. Probably in the month of February, we'll be sending our own small satellite, a nano satellite, to the space through Serbian launching pads. Not only the student initiatives, we are also carrying out various faculty initiatives wherein the faculties are trained at various IITs, NITs, IISCs, and we see to it that the faculty members are also upgraded so that they take the classes properly, they take or they teach the students what is required in the latest technology at GHRC. Due to this pandemic, COVID pandemic, we are not able to attend the regular classes in person. We are all missing you all on campus. Still, this should not be a hindrance to our progress. This should not be a hindrance to any of the activities that are required for the student community. And this is an example of conducting an induction program online. I congratulate the entire organizers of this event for conducting this activity even in this testing time. With this, I wish all the best to the newly inducted members, and I also wish the entire IEEE community and the entire students, all participants, those who have joined in this particular webinar, all the best. And I'm sure that you'll take the student education, the education of engineering, to a greater heights. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for adorning this session. Moving further, I would like to welcome Dr. Lakshman Thakre, Brown's Counselor. I also welcome HOD CSE, Dr. Bokar, Dr. Gopal Sakharkar, and Dr. Penchala, CIS professional members. Now inviting our chapter advisor, Professor Thomas, and requesting her to please address the meet by her acumen. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Rishita. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
All right. So good morning to all. On behalf of GH Raisoni College of Engineering and IEEE Computational Intelligence Society Students Chapter of GHRC, I welcome our director, Dr. Sachin Untavale, IEEE Student Branch Counselor, Dr. Lakshman Thakre, IEEE Computer Society Chapter Advisor, Dr. Prashant Borkar, faculty members, and dear participants to this induction event of IEEE CIS Power Everyone. We received the approval for forming this IEEE CIS Students Chapter of GHRC on 2nd January 2020. And since then, our student team has been working tirelessly to conduct various activities and reach out to a larger audience. So we are really grateful to the IEEE CIS section for funding this particular program. She Codes is the first event under this banner of IEEE CIS Power Everyone. Now, as Rishita rightly said, if you happen to visit the IEEE website, you would come across a statement by the president of IEEE which states, IEEE is and remains strongly committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion, and we see no place for hatred and discrimination in our communities. In line with this, IEEE CIS Power Everyone program is organized under the theme of diversity and inclusion. Through this program, we aim to motivate enthusiastic women engineers from all over the world to hone their skills and work towards IEEE's goal of advancing technology for humanity. I would like to congratulate the entire CIS team led by Chapter Chair Vedant for planning and coordinating this novel event. And I'm also grateful to Director and Management of GHRC for supporting us in all our endeavors. I hope all the participants will learn and enjoy during this 2 months program. And we also look forward to you all joining the IEEE community. If you have for any assistance, you may always contact our very active and enthusiastic student team. I hope you all have a wonderful time learning and networking. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Inviting our charismatic chair, IEEE CIS Student Branch, Mr. Vedant Bahel, I would request him to say a few words and grace the event. Over to you, Vedant.
Thank you, Rishita. And first of all, thank you, Director Sir, Thomas Ma'am, all the graduate members, professional members of IEEE CIS, and Lakshman Thakre Sir for joining in for today's event. And very good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all the participants, because I know you are joining from various parts of the world. So I'd like to tell some of the metrics that we have here. The participants who are selected are 20% of those who applied. So the acceptance rate for this program was 20%. And we received overwhelming participation and application from all across the world, from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Oman, New Zealand, Peru, Argentina, and so on. Not only we have students, but we have people who are already working, who have been working for the past, who are into academia or industry. So we have diverse group of participants over here in She Codes. Well, the expectation from She Codes will be conveyed to you shortly, but my personal expectations from you all will be consistency and hard work and determination throughout the program, because this is a long program, a training program, and we want you all to be consistent throughout the time. And to support you, there is a strong support system. We have a strong communication system that we have established via WhatsApp groups, via emails, and you can reach out to us anytime, for any doubt you have. The team CIS is very happy to host this marvelous event and to host you all at She Codes. The IEEE CIS Society has funded us for this project, as Thomas Ma'am rightly mentioned, under the project Power Everyone. And that's the theme for today. And I guess we are standing strong on the theme of diversity and inclusion by hosting this diverse background. I welcome you all for She Codes and wish you best for all the upcoming milestones at She Codes. Thank you. Over to you, Rishita.
Thank you, Vedant. I'm very elated to introduce our She Codes team. Over to you, Ruchi.
Hello everyone, I'm Ruchi Chaturvedi, volunteer at IEEE CIS chapter, GHRC, and I'm in She Codes team.
Hello everyone, my name is Atharva Khedkar. I am an executive committee member at IEEE CIS and a Microsoft student ambassador. I am proficient in app development and machine learning. You can reach any of us out if you have any doubts or queries during the whole program, and we'll be glad to help you. See you on the other side.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Bobde, working as a volunteer at IEEE CIS chapter. I am glad to be the part of IEEE CIS She Codes teams. I am skilled up at machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision.
Hello everyone, I am Paresh Chaudhary. I am working as an executive member at IEEE CIS and I am a part of She Codes team.
Hola amigos, I'm Romer Mathur. I'm a volunteer at IEEE CIS. I'm currently studying machine learning and operating systems. Good to see you all. Thank you.
Hey there, this is Atharva Devadalikar and I am executive committee member at this amazing community, and I am also part of the team She Codes. Over to you, Rishita.
This is our team without whom it could not have been possible. And here's our other backend support team. Now offering my legacy to Mr. Paresh, who will further elaborate the timeline and will guide you. Over to you, Paresh.
Thank you, Rishita. So as you can see in the timeline, every week from Monday to Friday, there will be self-paced courses which you can do at your own convenience. Followed by that on weekends, that is on Saturday, you will be having quizzes and guest lectures. This timeline and all other content in the presentation will be forwarded to you via WhatsApp. Moving on, in the first week, we'll be introducing Python from very basic, as we have participants from diverse background. We have participants from who are majoring in statistics, also in medicinal sciences. That is why we have thought of introducing Python from very basic. Apart from introducing Python from very basic, we'll be looking at libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. In the second week of this course, we'll be looking at the concepts which we have built in first weeks, and we'll be diving deep into them. Apart from that, we'll sum up this week with a case study which will serve as a nice summary for both first and second week. Moving on, in the third week, we'll be starting with exploratory data analysis and supervised learning algorithms like k-nearest neighbor, linear regression, logistic regression. We will sum up with this week with hyperparameter tuning. In the next week, we'll be looking at unsupervised learning algorithms like k-means and also their visualization via dendrograms. We'll sum up this week with principal component analysis and non-negative matrix factorization. In the fifth week of this course, we're looking at the most popular version control system, Git, and its web counterpart, GitHub. Remember, this week is very important as the final project, which all of you will do, will be hosted on GitHub. In the next week, we'll be looking at classification algorithms like support vector machines and logistic regression. Moving on, in the last week of this course, we'll be looking at a case study, which will serve as a summary for all weeks from week 1 to week 6. Now I request Atharva Khedkar to take on.
Hola, we meet again. So now let me walk you through to the part of competition. All the hard work you have put will now be showcased in this area. Those candidates who are regular, enthusiastic, and consistent would get the opportunity to work on a final project. It would be based on continuous evaluation of all the weeks. Participants will be divided in a group of 4 and they have to make a mini project based on machine learning and push it on GitHub. Well, the team of IEEE always provides rewards for your hard work. So here are the prizes. The winning team will get a cash prize of rupees 7,000, followed by the first runner-up team will receive a cash prize of rupees 5,000, and second runner-up team would get a cash prize of rupees 3,000 respectively. All the very best and sayonara. We'll meet again soon. Over to you, Rishita.
Aditya, would you like to explain the data camp?
Sure. For the learning purposes, we have tied up with DataCamp. DataCamp is a paid platform that we will be providing free to you. First of all, you will be receiving mail from the DataCamp about the invitation to join the computational intelligence group. You will join the group. As soon as you click on the join group, it will redirect to the DataCamp site. You have to fill the required details. Please make sure that you enter the email address which you used to register for SheCodes. It will ask for few options. First, you have to select the Python, and then in the programming track, you have to select the Python fundamentals. After all this, a dashboard will appear. On the extreme left, various options will be listed there. You have to click on the select organizations. You will be assigned the modules that you have to complete within the respective deadlines. Select the first module and click on the start for free option. The module will get started. Over to you, Rishita.
This is all about SheCodes and IEEE. I hereby like to extend my gratitude to Dr. Sachin Untawale, Dr. Prashant Borkar, Dr. Lakshman Thakre, and Professor Thomas for supporting us and guiding us. Further, if anyone has any query, you can reach us out through WhatsApp group and or provided emails. We'll just take few questions. If there's any question, please put your questions in chat box.
The slide deck will be emailed and will be sent to all the participants for knowing the procedure for data camp joining and other timelines. Well, we'll wait for another 2 minutes for questions. By the time, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all the people who joined in today: Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director, GHRC, Dr. Prashant Borkar, Professor Thomas, Dr. Gopal Sakarkar, Sachin Penchala, and Dr. Lakshman Thakre for joining in for today's morning and gracing this event. Thanks a lot.
Vedant, I think we have a question here.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir, for joining in.
So the question is, do we need to install Python? The answer is no, you don't need to install Python. In DataCamp, there will be inbuilt interface for you to practice.
We'll keep answering the question. Meanwhile, all the guests for today may opt to leave the session. Thank you for joining in.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Vedant, and best of luck to all the team members.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant, and all the best for the event.
Thank you, sir.
The weekly
Thank you.
quizzes will be conducted live on Kahoot. And yes, you have to work in a team of 4 while doing the project.
Moreover, there will be assessment of the courses that you do on DataCamp. So DataCamp will be noting down your points for the inbuilt assignments that you have inside the course. The course are small, like 4 hours per course or 5 hours per course, and there will be 1 to 2 courses allotted per week. So that won't be an issue. Duration of this program. So as we conveyed earlier, this program is about 2 months long, including the competition, the project competition. The teams, you won't be learning in teams, but you will be working in teams for the competition, and that team will be divided randomly. So 4 of you will get randomly into a team and work for developing a mini project for the competition. Do we get recording of the session? Yes, you'll get the recording of the session. The timings we'll try to adjust the timing such that it is convenient for all the participants from different time zone to join in. And as I said, many of you are having questions regarding the team formation. It will be random. Yeah, DataCamp will itself provide you a lot of programming material. Other than that, will provide you extra resources. There will be live sessions wherein we'll try to tell you about deployment and other features which will be conveyed to you live by experts. Further communications will be made via WhatsApp, and we'll tell you the next milestone to achieve. So that way we'll move further. You can ask any question if you have on WhatsApp or even now. The certificate will be given to people who will complete the training if you complete the whole session, like all the required modules and everything till last.
I think more than 1.5 hours per day will be more than sufficient to complete your course comfortably.
There are some incentives apart from prize money as well that will be conveyed later. The more stress here, the best incentive that you get is knowledge. Online lectures are provided by DataCamp, so it will be flexible for you to complete it as per your flexibility. Like you can do it anytime. You can just log into DataCamp and access those lectures. I think we have answered all of your questions. Thank you for joining in and have a great sessions and learning ahead. Happy learning. Thus I declare the event end.